I've had the chance to explore both HubSpot and Apollo.io, and in this video, I'm sharing my honest, unbiased comparison to help you decide which one is the better choice for your sales and marketing needs in 2025. Let's start with HubSpot. It's a comprehensive CRM platform that offers a range of tools for marketing, sales, and customer service. HubSpot provides a free version with essential features, and its paid plans start at $20 per month. Users appreciate its user-friendly interface and seamless integration with various tools. HubSpot is particularly suitable for businesses looking for an all-in-one solution to manage their customer relationships and marketing efforts. On the other hand, Apollo.io is a sales intelligence platform focused on lead generation and contact enrichment. It offers a free version with limited features, and its paid plans start at $59 per month. Apollo.io boasts a vast database of contacts and provides tools for prospecting and outreach. It's ideal for sales teams aiming to expand their reach and improve lead conversion rates. In terms of pricing, HubSpot offers a more affordable entry point with its $20 per month plan, while Apollo.io's starting price is $59 per month. However, Apollo.io provides more advanced features for lead generation and contact enrichment. So which one should you choose? If you're looking for a comprehensive CRM platform with a focus on customer relationships and marketing, HubSpot is the better choice. But if your primary goal is lead generation and contact enrichment, Apollo.io might be the better fit. That's all for today's comparison. If you found this video helpful, please give it a super thanks to support the channel, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews like this. See you next time.